What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about an incredible plugin for your WordPress site. It's called WP Optimix and it covers everything you'll ever need for your website. The fundamentals of creating a good website has to be handling security and handling performance. Also, your design has a big factor in how successful your website is, but you don't want your website to be slow, or you don't want hackers to be able to get in there and change your cat pictures around or something. After you activate the plugin, you already see that you have a new feature in your WordPress dashboard menu up here, and it shows your current security ranking. Mine's at 38, which is terrible, right? I need to get to 100, and this plugin is going to help me get there. And also, you'll see a new feature down here, your WP Optimix. This is the plugin itself. It has 6 different modules you can work with, and those 6 modules are up here as well. So in this video, I'm just going to be talking about the report tab and showing you kind of the basic overview of the report tab. Now, the report tab is going to be your headquarters. It gives you all the information about your website. It's going to show you what some of your flaws are, what you can improve on, and also what features you have enabled or disabled within your plugin. So let's just get started. We have some website details. As you can see here, we get some website information, and this is going to list out your host, your DNS servers, your IP address, a lot of useful information that's nice to have on hand when you're working with websites. Also, the same feature for PHP, which PHP version you're rocking out, how much PHP memory usage you got, memory limit. Again, good stuff you need to know if you're developing on the back end of your website working with PHP, as well as with your databases, what database you have enabled, what version it is, how big it is, your username, the prefix to the database itself. So again, a lot of useful information to have on hand. Now, the awesome thing about this plugin is it has a support tab up here, and they'll work with you and help your site get better, and they'll probably relate to some of this information to help your site be, the best that it can be. So it's good to have all these web details on hand, just easily switch between, get the information you need, and get out. But you probably will never have to use this support tab because this plugin is so easy. Anyone can use it. My grandma could probably use this plugin, and she doesn't even know how to turn on her computer. Alright, so let's go to the next section. After our web details, we have the security tab here, and you can see which features you have enabled within the plugin itself and which features you have disabled at the moment. The features that aren't running, that would be this red X. Kind of self-explanatory of what you got going on. And all of these features, you can easily turn them on and off within the security tab up here, and I'll get into that in the next video. But as for now, you can see what you got and what you need to improve on right here within your security tab. You also have a malware scan. You also have your backup, and it displays a date of the last time you backed up your site. So sometimes, if you create a lot of changes, you probably want to have a backup just in case if you mess up. So make sure you back up that site, girl. And it just displays the last time you did your backup. Now let's go down to the performance tab. Again, some stuff that will help your site run more smoothly, make people that are viewing your cat pictures be very happy with the response time of your website. Again, this plugin has some awesome features that can help you boost your performance, such as the speed booster. And again, it shows that I do not have that feature enabled, and I probably need to improve on that. You also have stuff like your spam comments. Obviously, I got a lot of spam going on. I need to probably clean that out. But it also shows your revisions and your pingback, so it's nice to have on hand. Again, all this stuff is working with your performance of your site. Now, you also have your schedules tab. This will be the last time that you optimize your tables or repaired tables, remove spam, remove post revisions. Again, this is going to display date. So it's nice to have that on hand because right now it says none, and I'm like, okay, I should probably optimize some of my tables or make some repairs to some tables because I haven't done that yet. And lastly, just as an added bonus, this plugin has some design features that are going to make your site phenomenal. Right now they got an awesome notification bar that you can work with. It's going to make your site look more professional, and again, very simple to implement this stuff. So that's pretty much it for the report tab. It just gives you an overview of what you're using, what security flaws you have, and what plugins you're running. So it's nice to have that on hand and be like, okay, I need to make adjustments to this or that. So that's pretty much it for the report tab, and we're going to get into the security feature here in the next video. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope you're having a great day.